Okay, so this is my first broadcast. Bridget, you are not here. Hope you're feeling better. This is for you. This first video is dedicated to Bridget in her absence. Okay, so I'm going to explain the Giovanopoulas project to you guys. So you already got the presentation. That's the first thing. What you needed to do was come up with, this is going to be backwards on the video. We're going to figure out a way to do this, but hold a mirror up to your screen, Bridget. We're going to mimic 16 artists or 15 artists and then one of, like, you're going to draw one that's realistic. So you're going to go through, I have some books. Let me go grab one of my books. So I have a couple of these books where you can look through and you can pick your artist. So at this point, you should have already have an idea of what artist you're doing, hopefully. Can you see me on that?
Nope. The video is unavailable.
Okay. We'll try it with another one here in a second. So you're going to pick your 16 artists. Then you're going to take a simple object. So let's say my object is a beach ball. So I'm going to have my beach ball here. And now I am going to draw this beach ball in all of these squares. You're going to apply the artist style to this beach ball. So for instance, if you were doing, let's say, Salvador Dali, The Persistence of Time. Does everybody know what that painting looks like? Where it looks like the clocks are melting off the tree. So maybe I could draw this persistence of time, like a little bit of the background of it here. And instead of drawing the ball inflated, maybe I could draw deflated hanging off of one of the limbs. So what I might do is do that for that square. Then in this square, I want to do my beach ball in the style of Mondrian, which we all know Mondrian style has the black lines with the red, yellow, and blue spaces. So what you could do is draw your beach ball, and then you could outline it in black, and then do each section the colors of Mondrian. Does everybody understand that step? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to transfer this on here. You're going to get a piece of tracing paper, and you're going to trace your simple item that you've come up with. So everybody should have come up with a simple item already. And then now I have my beach ball. If I want this to look like this side, then what I'll do is I'll trace it on the back. But if I don't care which way it faces, then I can go ahead right away and I can just trace this. And it'll transfer your lines onto the paper. We've done this before in other projects. So now I have just a loose outline of my beach ball here. One square can be a realistic looking beach ball, and then the other 15 can be after artist, or you can have all 16 look like different artists. So I would suggest that what you need to do is either make a presentation or a Google drawing, get all of your artists organized on there that you want to go after and mimic. And like I said, I have those books if you'd like to look through those books. And then once you have the artist style, just go through square by square and say, okay, on this one, I'm going to do Salvador Dali. And then on this one, I'm going to do Piet Mondrian. And on this one, I'm going to mimic it after Vincent van Gogh. And you're going to just move through the squares, and it's going to be like 16 little masterpieces on this. Oh, no. There we go.